Welcome to Autosphere. The Airstream Interstate 19X LE Outland Edition is a luxurious yet rugged touring coach, designed for those who want to explore the world without leaving comfort behind. Built on the Mercedes-Benz Sprinter 2500 4x4 chassis, this Class B motorhome is compact, powerful, and perfectly suited for both highways and more adventurous terrains. Its 19-foot size makes it easy to maneuver while still packing in a full suite of high-end features. This special Outland Edition is engineered specifically for outdoor adventurers. With upgraded all-terrain tires, increased ground clearance, and custom body protection like brush guards and skid plates, it's ready to take you off the beaten path. The rugged exterior also features a roof rack system, side steps, and a roof-mounted LED light bar, making it perfect for loading gear and lighting up your campsite at night. The exterior isn't just about function, it's about style too. With a stealthy matte finish, blacked-out trim, and aggressive stance, the 19X LE looks as tough as it performs. It's the kind of van that turns heads at every rest stop while offering serious off-grid capabilities for longer and more remote adventures. Step inside, and you're met with a refined, modern interior that balances durability with elegance. The walls, cabinetry, and flooring are made from premium, water-resistant materials that can handle dirt, moisture, and heavy use. Everything is designed to be easy to clean and built to last, which is ideal for a life spent chasing adventure. The galley is fully equipped for cooking on the go. You'll find a stainless steel sink, a 2-burner gas stove, a microwave, and a generously sized refrigerator. With soft close drawers and intelligent storage solutions, the kitchen maximizes space without feeling cramped, allowing you to prepare meals whether you're parked in the city or deep in the forest. At the rear of the van, the power folding sofa easily transforms into a spacious bed, giving you a restful place to sleep after a day on the trail. The sleeping area also includes reading lights, USB ports, and overhead cabinets, combining comfort and functionality in a compact space that still feels cozy and private. The wet bath is a smart and efficient addition, offering a toilet, shower, and sink in one sealed unit. Designed to handle daily use, the bathroom is compact yet comfortable, with a ventilation fan and a hot water system that ensures a refreshing experience even when you're far from civilization. Technology in the 19X LE is designed to simplify and enhance your journey. A digital control panel gives you command over lighting, tank levels, climate, and power systems. With solar panels on the roof and a powerful lithium battery setup, you can stay off-grid longer without giving up modern conveniences. The integrated power awning adds a relaxing outdoor living space with the press of a button. Equipped with LED lighting, it's perfect for evenings outside, whether you're enjoying dinner under the stars or just soaking in the sounds of nature after sunset. Mercedes-Benz has equipped this vehicle with an array of advanced safety features, including lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, and blind spot monitoring. These technologies provide peace of mind and make driving easier and safer, especially during long trips or in unfamiliar areas. The Airstream Interstate 19X LE Outland Edition is more than just a motorhome. It's a gateway to freedom. With its combination of off-road toughness, luxury interiors, and smart technology, it's built for those who crave adventure without compromise. Whether you're exploring remote trails, hidden beaches, or open highways, this vehicle is ready to take you there in style.